Today we are in Rantage on the outskirts of the quaint village of North Curry, and I'm very excited to show you this 3-bedroom semi-detached family home full of character, ready for tenants to move in straight away. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. It has been my utmost pleasure to show you this beautiful property. If you love it just as much as I do and you'd like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord with a similar property and you'd like a rental valuation, please get in touch.